Hello guys, kamusta kayong lahat? I haven't been posting videos kasi nagkasakit ako. Nagkasakit una yung anak ko, tapos dalawa kami ng asawa ko nagkasakit kami. So for a while, hmm, yun may sakit kami. Um, Meron pa rin kaming sakit, siguro mga 20% na lang natitira. Yung buong 80% is magaling na. So, pero ang topic ko ngayon is about dito kay Salome Salvi. Isa siyang, content creator na nagpo-promote ng pornography, which is, this sort of things is not good. There's no value to this, okay? When you watch porn, it actually messes up with your psyche. Um, puwedeng puwedeng masira ang iyong, soul from things like this. So, um magpapakita lang ako ng mga konting clips and I will tell you my opinion about it.
Sa industriya. Ngayon, ito na ang kanyang full-time na trabaho.
How do you define sex work?
So sex work is the trade of any sexual service in exchange for money. So that includes pornography, which is what I do mostly. There's also like girlfriend experience, escorting, full service sex work, which is what we call having sex for money. There's also stripping, erotic massage, like hosting or being a GRO can also be part of sex work. So there's many different kinds.
Okay, so yung mga sinabi niya, this is wildly promoted in the Philippines. There's really no value to it. Like pornography is not real sex. Real sex is when you actually you are having sex for procreation. Dahil gusto mo magkaanak, dahil kasal kayo, kaya kayo nagsisex. And sex from pornography is very different kasi pag nagsisex ka, like you are touching yourself and you are touching the body of your loved ones. Hindi katulad ng pornography, you're just watching it on like on the internet. There's really no value to it. It will ruin you. Okay? This is not ito din sa mga taong gumagawa nito, there is no there's no skill attained to this. Wala ka rin mapapala dito. You can get sick, STD, all kinds of stuff. Tsaka pag panahon mo na, when it's your time, tapos kasi kaya lang sikat tong si Salome Salvi kasi bata pa eh. Ang mga tao, the public will get tired of her one day. Okay? Tapos pag tumanda na siya and nagbago na siya, hindi na maganda ang magiging public opinion sa kanya. You know, there's no sandali lang tawag asawa ko. So, sorry. Tinawagan ako ng asawa ko, naghahanap ng ginger. So, let's get back to the topic. yun nga, there's no value to this sa pornography. When I was younger, I struggled with this. Kaya this is not good for anybody, okay? Because this will ruin you. It will prevent you from having a good sexual relationship sa asawa nyo. It will also pwedeng maging yung isip nyo sa asawa nyo is kailangan when you want to have sex to get it up, you need to watch porn, which is not good. Okay? Because porn and real sex is not, they're not equal. Okay? They're not the same. Real sex is real sex. Okay? And I would tell you guys to only have sex sa asawa ninyo. Nobody else. Okay? Save that for marriage. Save that to your wife. Okay? Huwag niyong gagayahin yung mga ganitong katulad ng ginagawa ni Salome Salvi just for money. Okay? Because pag tumanda na kayo, okay, when it's your time, pag wala na kayo dyan and you wanna change, you wanna get married, most of the decent guy will not marry you. Okay? And that is because the choices that you made. Okay? Gumagawa ka ng ganito, yes, ang mga lalaking pupunta sa buhay mo is mga mabababang standard. Okay. Of course, may possibility. There's always a possibility na makapag-asawa ka. Pero the odds are low. Makakita ka ng maayos na lalaki, na maayos na babae, kung ganitong trabaho pinapasukan ninyo, posible, pero mababa ang chance. Kasi ang maayos na lalaki is magpapakasal lang sa maayos na babae, and vice versa. So, nakikita ko nga 'to dati hindi ko masyadong nakikita 'to sa sa Philippine media. It's being promoted. Yung mga ganitong trabaho, like pino-promote nila na sa media, like this is a good thing, you know? This is not good. This will ruin family. This will spread STD. This will ruin families. And in the end, ang tingin lang ng mga tao sa'yo is prostitute. So yun lang sa ngayon. I'll try to make another video later if I could. Kasi I miss a lot of days. So, yun lang naman po. Hope everyone have a good day. I'll see you guys later.